Active Tech Solutions is a family-owned business that operates nationwide across Australia. We have built an enviable reputation through our commitment to superior quality, customer service, and prices since our inception in 2005. We take pride in our unmatched equipment maintenance experience, agile service delivery model, reliable supply chains, and community-focused partnerships. At Active Tech, we employ over 100 staff, more than half of which are field service technicians. We are located around the country. Our warehouse and largest office is in Brisbane. We also have offices in Sydney, Melbourne, Bendigo, Adelaide, Perth, Launceston, Darwin, as well as Cairns and Townsville in far north Queensland. We have thousands of customers and keep stock of more than $8.5 million worth of medical equipment spare parts, not just in our warehouses but in our mobile tech vans as well. So you can rest assured that we have the parts you need and can get them to you when you need them. The industries we cater to include aged care, hospitals, NDIS, allied health and support services. Our industry expertise and stellar reputation grant us access to essential software, technical information, and the largest range of spare parts to maintain your equipment. We effectively manage your asset register and maintenance needs with our purpose-built online maintenance and asset management system. This computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, is the ultimate solution for job scheduling, traceability, comprehensive asset history, and job status communication. Our system will save you time and eliminate the uncertainty. The system is used internally for every single job, and client access to the system is available for an annual fee per user, which gives you 24/7 access to all features of the software. When our technicians are performing maintenance at your site, we set you up with our customer portal, where you can track in real time the maintenance work our technicians are doing, so there's 100% transparency and accountability about the work that is being done on your site. We stock over 1,000 different makes and models of medical equipment spare parts, but Active Tech does not supply the medical equipment as a whole. This allows us to be brand neutral and not push our own products. Instead, we are a preferred service provider for many major medical equipment brands. So whether you need maintenance, repair, or spare parts for a bed, hoist, lifter, wheelchair, or walker, Active Tech has got you covered. Active Tech Solutions, enabling people to live life to the fullest.